Important video of kit. Please watch till end. Hi friends, welcome to Mohammad's World YouTube channel. Unboxing of Best Circuit Learning Kit. Let's get started. Part 3. In this video, we are going to cover very important information before using this kit and symbols and basic information. What is copod? Each of electronic components which you are going to use has an independent assembly called copod. They are made for easier, faster and multiple connections. What is circuit? In electronics, a circuit is a closed path that allow electricity to flow from one point to another. It may include various electrical components such as transistors, resistors and capacitors, but their flow is uncompleted by a gap or a break in the circuit. What is a circuit diagram? We use copods for actual connections, but on paper we use symbol to represent the components. With a circuit diagram, symbol help in understanding numbers of pins or connections. Point on a component, it represents the component as well as the copod. What are the advantages of using symbols? First point, symbols are easier and faster to use, draw irrespective of language. Second point, symbols are standard and universally accepted, hence easier to understand. Third point, symbol simplifies the circuit diagram and interaction between components. What is the difference between open circuit and closed circuit? An open circuit is defined to be basically a circuit where the energy is not flowing through it. A closed circuit is defined to be the one where the energy is allowed to flow through it by turning it on. A circuit is made closed if the electricity is flowing from an energy source to the endpoint of the circuit. Symbols and basic information. 3 volts battery. It is the source of electricity in a circuit. Battery has voltage and current. We use 3 volts battery. Volt is unit to measure voltage. Power device and component. Battery has two terminals. Information. Battery has two terminals, positive and negative. The two terminals are also called polarities of battery. In this kit, the positive terminal is denoted by capital letter P and negative terminal with N. LED red and green. It emits lights if connected correctly with battery. Red and green are two options we provide in the same 5 mm size output device and component. LED red and green has two terminals. Information. LED has two terminals in this kit. P is for anode and N is for cathode. Most LEDs with two pins have same symbol even if color and size are different. LED converts electrical energy to light energy. Tact switch. It provides human control in a circuit. It allows current to flow in the both directions, input device and component. Tact switch has two terminals. Information. Tact switch has two terminals in this kit donated by A and B. It allows current to pass through it only when it is pressed, hence giving momentary control. Slide switch. It provides human control in a circuit. It helps in choosing between two options by sliding on either side, input device and component. Slide switch has three terminals. Information. Slide switch has three terminals in this kit. Kit is donated by C, D and E. It allows current to pass through the points you slide to and it remains the same position until you change, hence giving latch control. DC motor. It provides rotational motion in the clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. It also works as generator of electricity, output device and component. DC motor has two terminals. Information. DC motor has two terminals in this kit donated by P and N. It converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. We are using gearless motor. The center of motor which rotates it is called shaft or rotator. Buzzer. It emits sound if connected correctly with battery. It gives sound in one tone called monotonous sound. Output device and component. Buzzer has two terminals. Information. Buzzer has two terminals in this kit. It is donated by P and N. It converts electrical energy to sound energy. It is also called beeper. Due to its use, it is available in very few sizes, which are all small. LDR. LDR is a light dependent resistor. Means it is a resistor whose value changes according to light falling on it, thereby working like a light sensor, input device and sensor. LDR has two terminals. Information. LDR has two terminals in this kit. It is donated by A and B. When light falling on LDR increases, then resistance of LDR decreases. When light falling on LDR decreases, then resistor of LDR increases. It affects current passing through it. Trim pot 10 kilo ohms. It is a type of variable resistor. It obstructs electrical current in a circuit and it can be varied by rotating the head and screw on it. It is similar to the regulator, input device and component. Trim pot has three terminals. Information. Trim pot has three terminals in this kit. It is donated by C, D and E. It is a variable resistor whose resistance can be changed by a human by rotating its heads. It is a value is defined by maximum resistance. In our case, it is 10,000 ohms. Resistors 1 kilo ohms. It restricts obstruct electrical current in the path of circuit where it is connected. It is measured in ohms. We are using 1000 ohms resistor, passive device and component. Resistor has two terminals. Information. Resistor has two terminals in this kit. It is donated by A and B. The property of resistor to obstruct current is known as resistant, which is measured in ohms and donated by SQ. They are available in various values. From next part, we are going to do experiments and projects. Friends, if anyone have doubts, please comment me. Please like, share and subscribe to Muhammad's World YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.